a new series, and it's Read With Me. So you ready, Bluey? Are you ready, Feather? So Feathers. And these are my friends. This is Feather, and this is Bluey. Today we're reading an Elephant and Piggie book, and this is called Piggie 1. High Five Snap by Mo Willems. This is the first book. Yes. And there are 5 books that we could read, and the 5 books are Today I'll Fly, Watch Me Throw the Ball, and we're in Dream or Can I Play Too? Let's Go for a Drive, and I Really Like Slow. Well, we're only reading 1 book, not all the rest, but we have 4 more to go. And if you have Today I'll Fly, get that book and you could follow along with me. Now let's start with the first book. Okay. Today I'll fly. Okay. Today you'll read, because we are reading. Today I'll Fly by Mo Willems. Today I'll fly. No, you will not fly today. You will not fly tomorrow. You will not fly next week. You will never fly. I will try. Goodbye. You will not fly. She will not fly. Fly, 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 fly. Fly, 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 fly. You need help. Thank you. I do need help. I'll get help. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. I did it. I flew. Thank you for your help. You did not fly. I did not fly. Question mark. You jumped. I jumped. It was a big jump. Yes, it was a big jump, but I did not fly. I will try again. I will eat lunch. Goodbye. I ate lunch. Delicious. Fly, fly, fly. Oof. You need help? I do need help. You will help me. I will. I will help you. Thank you. Hello. Hello. You are flying? You are flying today. My friend can fly. She can fly. I'm not flying. You are flying? I'm gonna help. Thank you for your help. Tomorrow I will fly. Good luck. And look at this. It's so funny at the end because have you ever read the pigeon book? Because look, you could see the pigeon. Isn't that so weird? Every time at the end, you could just see the pigeon. Wow. Making this book was a ball. That makes sense, I guess. Thank you for watching. Bye.